Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Mickey Mouse telephone in the original design of Mickey Mouse, and it's from the Disney Channel. So this Mickey was produced for the Disney Channel for the customers that bought them or however they acquired them. Maybe some of them were given away. I'm not sure. But this unit does nothing. It does not have any dial tone. It does not ring in, so there is no ring cycle. And so Mickey has no functions whatsoever. Now we've troubleshooted a little bit, and we know that there's a broken line for the receiver capsule. And so that's just one side. It's got a pair that go to the receiver capsule, and only one line's broken. But that could have happened after Mickey had a problem. Maybe somebody was going through it and the receiver capsule fell out when they took the cap off and the line broke. I'm not sure, but the line is broke and that will be repaired, but that's not the issue. This type of Mickey Mouse telephone has a PC board, and we want to go through that PC board and troubleshoot and find any issues. We also know with that PC board that there was some bad solder. Through the years, we have found a lot of bad solder on that PC board. So we would resolder the entire board and go through all the components and troubleshoot. So we want to take care of all of those issues. We also need to make sure that the keypad is good and that it's working and dialing out properly. And we will check the transmit and receive after we repair the line issue being broke. So we'll take care of all those issues. We'll also troubleshoot the handset cord and make sure that the handset cord is in good condition. So we have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Mickey Mouse telephone in the original design made for the Disney Channel, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup on troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electronic hum. I'm going to release it. I'll press it one more time and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now we want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that Mickey's ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and take the line cord and move it to a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, July 10th. The current time, 4:01 p.m. and the temperature, 90 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone by the Disney Channel has been repaired, we can return Mickey back to Joe and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.